Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be installing the retrofit mailbox from Bayshore. My mailbox outside the actual door kind of fell off, and I have one of those mailboxes that's in a cement casing. So I was really unsure on how I was going to get it fixed. But after doing a little bit of research, I ordered this. And I got it, and now I'm gonna show you guys if it fits or not. Hopefully this resolves my problem. So I'm gonna go outside and show you guys my mailbox now. So this is what I ordered. It comes with the mailbox door and the sleeve and rust guard. So this is what my mailbox looks like. It's very old. You can see it's like broken off on the sides. It's rusted on the inside. So I ordered the snap-in hinge. I'm gonna put all the information about this in the description, and then I also ordered like the insert that goes on the inside of it. But as you can see, this is what it currently looks like now. So this is what comes inside of the box. I forgot to mention, you do have to measure your mailbox before you place the order. Apparently mailboxes aren't standard size, they come in different sizes. So mine was the 6.5 by 8-ish. I don't have exact things because I don't be remembering stuff. Don't judge me. So this part that slides along the bottom of the mailbox to take care of that piece that's all rusted out is metal. And this part that goes on the inside that bends, this part is some kind of plastic, some kind of hard plastic. And then this is the lid that snaps in place. No screws or anything, so this just snaps in. So this is really cool. So, you know, if you're like me and you're not really great with tools, this might be the fix for you. So let's go ahead and just try to put it all in. Okay, so it looks like it pretty much just slides along the bottom. I don't know if I should have put this piece in first or if I should have put the plastic piece in first, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the plastic piece in. Now I do know from the videos that I've seen that this notch part goes towards the front, so when you guys do it, just make sure you put this notch piece towards the front. Okay, trial and error. Turns out you have to slide this piece in first and then slide the other piece in. But as you can see, it fits pretty snug, not a whole bunch of space on each side. Then you just slide that bottom piece back in. Looks like it has a set of holes for screws on the side. I don't think I'm actually gonna be screwing anything in though. So, yeah. So let's go ahead and put that lid on. So they say this piece just snaps in. Oh, it does. It literally just snaps in and it looks like a brand new mailbox. Look at me, I'm fancy. Okay, all right. I feel so accomplished and I feel so much better about the mailbox now because I've been wondering what I'm gonna do about fixing it, but this is a perfect solution. I don't know who came up with this, but they are a freaking genius. I love it. Look at that. Whole thing look brand new. All right, guys. So I guess the next thing will be to pressure wash this. Hey, Tiki. Hey, Mama. And then we should be looking pretty much brand new. Yep, I like it. It was worth it. I'll put the link to it and everything in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Tiki and I are gonna go inside, but if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.